Hi, so today we have a box from Uniqlo. So this order was from their Plus J collaboration with the designer. I don't know how they pronounce it. Like I think American pronunciation would be Jil Sander, and I think the German original pronunciation I heard is Zigzando. I probably just butchered the names, but oh well. So I ordered something and then they sent me the tracking on last Thursday. And then after 6 days, it was nothing going on. It showed that the package still waiting for the carrier to pick up. So, and FedEx is really a pain. So I decided to cancel my order yesterday. And even the customer service promised that it's not going to just show up on my doorstep, but here we go. Today, I came home from lunch and it's just sitting right outside my box, right outside my door. So, and look at it. It's actually already open. I didn't open this. It came like that. So hopefully things are still inside. And if I like it, I'll keep them. Or else, I already have the return label in my email. So hopefully it's something nice because the Plus J collaboration is more expensive than their regular Uniqlo product. So oh, I think this is the first time they sent me their Uniqlo magazine. Interesting. They have this Japanese English, I think. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, I'll take a look later. So this is one of the shirt I ordered. It looks like regular button down shirt. The difference is it has this pull on the side at the bottom, so you could actually pull it and tighten up the bottom to, I think it just, you're able to create a look that almost look like you tie in your shirt, but actually it just, you can tighten with this, so it's pretty cool. I think the fabric is pretty nice. A little bit, seems to be a little bit thicker. And it also has this side pockets. So this is a pretty cool design. I think I probably will keep this one. And I'm quite surprised to see they actually put it in the box. It's a bag. Not sure you can tell from the dust bag. Yeah, I guess they really try to make it feel more luxurious, I guess. Yeah, usually Uniqlo product doesn't come with dust bag. So let's see if I can show you. It does have this plus J logo debossed on here. And then the design of the bag is kind of long, rectangular, and it's smooth curve on the front, but at the back is actually this kind of sharp corner stitched together. So it's kind of like a whole piece of leather go across, and then at the back it curve down. Looks like it's some kind of black pebble leather. Let's see if you can see the texture. It's quite nice actually, and it has this lobster claw closure. Inside the bag, it has a slip pocket, but other than that, it's pretty straightforward. Nothing too crazy about this bag. So with this length, I believe it's for just the shoulder bag. I don't know if it's long enough to do crossbody. It doesn't look like I can adjust this, other than I can adjust it shorter. Look like it has another hole here, but let's see. I think it may be too challenging to. You can actually do crossbody. This is actually the length I like. I like it. I think it's a good small bag for when I can use it when I'm going out for lunch or something. So well, since we are here, I kind of want to try on these clothes. I love Uniqlo, but the using feather is kind of not appealing for me as a buyer, because they usually take at least 7 to 10 days, even though when you choose 2 to 3 days shipping. So that's kind of pain. Let's see. I know they have more stores on the East Coast, so when I move to Pennsylvania, it will be easier for me to get to their stores and just buy it there, because it's just a pain to buy online with Uniqlo. Their shipping is just way too slow with FedEx. So people always criticize their Plus J collection. The sizing is always off. I think this is supposed to be oversized. My regular size is medium, and I did order a medium, so but it does feel like a little bit big, but not horrible. So then here, interesting is you can only pull from the back. Front is not really anything to pull, so trying to figure out how this works. So I guess I could tuck the front in and then leave the back out and just pull the string, and then we can have the string showing. It's kind of a cool design. Has this side pocket. I don't think this shirt is going to keep me warm, but it's a cool design. I have too many basic items, so I think this one, it has some unique feature and definitely is a keeper. What do you think? Right? So let's see. Can I put back with this jacket? So yeah, you can layer it. It will be just look like a regular black button down shirt in a way if you want. Okay. So yep. So that's it for today's unboxing. Shoulder bag, crossbody bag pouch from Uniqlo, and then this black button down shirt. Both are from their Plus J collaboration with Zigzando. So go check it out, and I think it's worth picking this up. If you see them in store, yeah, I would recommend them. Okay, thanks, and I'll talk to you again. Bye.